Our intelligent XR AI-powered solution, developed with Lucid Reality Labs, has been long envisioned by medical practitioners who work with training in area management. Referring to the pain points of the domain experts, it has some vital benefits that make it desirable to implement right away. Virtual Dr. Patrick, powered by AI, serves as a guide, immersing users in a lifelike atmosphere, looking like my operating room here, and providing tailored support to meet each learner's unique requirements. Imagine, it decreases pressure while practicing, which results in the quality of outcome. It enhances engagement, as well as speed and accuracy of work. It enables personalized real-time feedback, supervision and adjustments or fine-tuning. And of course, it's fun. And when you teach people while having fun, who have fun, you have much better results.